money. So I'm going to ask the man this. Let me take everything. Let me want food, you know. Let me see the man this me now. I said, what? On top of my last the money. Only not hear the better joke yet. And me, Jamie, and Dewey are par, you know, that I'm never from up here. Because I remember I'm planting with the man, I give back my money. You know, so I wake up at 21,000 in the morning. You know. I give one girl 10 grand. So me go like me rich. Put in 6 grand gas. 4 grand literally for the toll. And the little change left. Use it by muscle jackfruit. This is how you call give a show for blood clot and sure. So you know, some of them will be without a cent with a little choppers. But I have US, you know, I have pound in my purse and Cayman money. I have no Jamaica money. Anyway, but I tell you, if life had one more blood clot time, you know, man. So sexy. How sexy me? So you know, so when Mrs. said the man this me, I'm a cuss at the airport and put him up on the Instagram and then Mrs. said me and them on pink wall and said I'm tired and train. I call the man a name Big Head. Bless up yourself, Big Head. I immediately go work for International Dancer Queen night. But just meet the man there since me come down and I come like me and the man a classmate. Proper little businessman. Anyway. So I complain about the man at the airport. The man said, Queenie, come meet some people and really blah blah them outside Mansion Pearl. The man give me 25,000. I put it in here, sir. Me have a little boat. Remember my last 130,000 yesterday. The man dissed me today and didn't disown me. So no, this man give me 25 grand. Come there, the man was the one little adds or something and the man just give me a little change. I said, right, crazy. Me and Dewey, I'm dreaming go a gas station and I have the money in my bosom and I take out the 5,000 and pay for the gas. Amen. So let it be from that minute to the next 4,000, 5,000 pounds. I say when I see I lost the money the day before. Then Ricky come at airport come violate me. And then the man give me about this and I lost it. I said, what do you think me do? Let me say for no sense. Tell me. Right, crazy, what do you think me do? Let me see if no no. When me see my last at third patch of money, what do you think me do? No. No. Boy, this coming like a little soft cocky myself. Yvette, you ever suck so little soft body feet stand up it and then I stand up? You know, some never suck a body at why? That no, we never suck a cocky head. You need to try it. Listen, man, ball. Somebody said that. Scream. Mr. Slung at the GP said. Abala. Bad for fight. You know what time people are saying about God no. Tell them what I'm broke, man. I know, say I lie, them I tell I say. Them lie. If God is still like man, them would have dead long time. But God know me. Don't lie, them I tell. I say my ball, I'm up here. You never taste a coffee, no. And by the time I done ball, one man called me and asked me how much about me. I said 200,000 to blood clot. I swear. Right when I done ball, come to think of it. When Big Head see me a ball, Big Head come and say, Queenie, I want to feel. Can I carry me song a ball? Because the way I see him and vex everything I want to say everything I tumble up for me. I say, what? Papa, sorry for myself. When I look at Dewey come with him phone, so I'm classmate to him, but I say, tell him 200,000 Jamaican dollars, thank you. So just sometimes you lose, but you win in our next sense. So you just have to know it's your life. You win some and you lose some. You can't win it all. What? Because you don't have to put on themselves. Teams up. But we're not doing that. You hear that? Everybody can like, everybody can support you. You have to remember that. The quicker you acknowledge it, the better it is. Like me, acknowledge that everybody can tolerate it. I don't feel that way, but more of them know some know. If you don't have no bag juice on the one or soft body taste, get one sausage. I make the sausage at room temperature. And just box it by a lip and see if I know what this cocky that you feel. Who this? Female general, don't let me root you. How the blood clot? This is money appear on the female general page. I want different one this. You know me not be a hypocrite and again and smile, me I go wave. All them cool people are come on the page.
Yahura.
You know, so RT boss told me that something at one time. RT boss do me something like with them Indian money I do. Them I do something that you. Female general.
How are you? How are you?
Wagwan, how are you there?
How are you?
How are you? Where are you? What country? No, woman him a look. Him no fuck bottom. I maybe him go both way.
How are you?
But woman him a look. I trim pretty why him look gay. You know some man is super pretty come. You see it? I want dirty man that I just pretty him just handsome. And Tim color. I watch him bomber clan. I look a pervert and I want every man understand him I say. Oi! You pussy rascal. What happened? Old bomber. Mr. Rascal. Bless him. Oh. Where, what country? So my two kiss. I want to do see. Alright. I'm alone for 2 kiss. Bomber clad. See that man in there. What I do with it? Later. Alright, I'm going to end the live now. Something that you are going. I try add back female general. Him look gay? Him not look gay. Alright, look, come here. And a female general. This one must think my bomber clad dunce. Alright, see that female general. Request. One female general. If I press this. I don't know why one time I press it. How would that pull a girl? Sam bomber clad, Samba come live up alive with the look good self. What the rudeness? The man is doing rudeness. Where him do? Me never see. What did he do? He is doing. I rely I tell upon the man. Me never see man do nothing. Him just throw a kiss. Samba! Come up. Come to this man. I want him to do Mariah crazy, them I love me now left. I'm go on later. So that boy Samba there. Shamba, come let me see a swag no man for the independent. Pussy clot.
No, sir. You can't step in that right now. You understand?
Bomba clot. Hot boy segment. Outside with her. For the independent. You look lovely, Shamba. You know, some I forgot I watch it. Or the weekend something. When I can't bother go kiss them by the blood clot ass going for not to get them going. Come in and know the promoter them. I'm not pay God. So that means I have to go beg. See that one female general is unable to accept. Oh, cap. Shamba, press them two something. Hello.
Yeah.
Accept. Press this one now. Female general, right there. Female general, come off. I'm going to say her again. Say her, then press that. Them two names there.